Hello student, I am going to discuss about the numerical of Faraday's first law and Faraday's second law. So first I am going to discuss about the numerical of first law of Faraday. So now the first question numerical is 0.1978 gram of copper is obtained on electrolyzing copper salt solution for 5 minutes using 2 ampere current. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent. Clear? Okay, now you know the electrochemical equivalent is Z. So the formula is W is equals to ZIT. Z is electrochemical equivalent. So W is given, time is given. So 5 minutes, just you convert 5 into 60. Okay. Then I is 2 ampere and Z is what? You find, है ना? Electrochemical equivalent. So now in this case, W is 0.1978, Z is you find, and time is 2 into 5 into 60. Time is I is 2 ampere, time is 5 into 60. Just convert into second. So now Z is equals to 0.1978 divided by 10 into 60. So divided by 10, it means 0.01978 divided by, now again divided by 60, the answer is 0.00033. So this is what? 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 4. This is answer. Okay, this is a very easy numerical. Now there again, this is again the based on the first law numerical. So now 1 ampere current is passing through an electrolyte cell in which NaCl is electrolytes if time is given 965 second, already is second, already is time in second. So then find the weight of metal and at cathode. तो there is a weight of metal at cathode, मतलब metal जो का जो weight find करना है वो cathode पे, and the volume of gas at anode. तो first you find कि which metal are present in cathode and which gas are present in anode. So now there is a NaCl, you know NaCl converted into Na plus Cl minus. So at anode, you know at anode there is oxidation. So now the anode positive attract negative, so Cl minus, this is half Cl2, it means 1 chlorine, and there is 1 electron. So this is what? Oxidation. At cathode is a negative charge, it attract the positive. So sodium plus is there, attract 1 electron from anode to the formation of Na plus. So Na plus is what? Metal. So find weight of metal. Okay, and the chlorine is gas. The volume of gas at anode. तो anode पे कौन सा gas है? Anode the chlorine gas, and cathode पे the sodium metal is given. So now there is a simple trick. There is a formula N cathode upon N anode. In my last video, just you check. N cathode upon N anode is equals to generally this, what formula is this? N is inversely proportional to N factor. Yeah, this is based on, suppose N anode, N cathode is there, so N cathode is inversely proportional to what? N factor of cathode, है ना? So now N anode is inversely proportional to, है ना? तो N cathode upon N anode is inversely proportional, ना देखो. तो this is cathode is what? Chlorine gas, and anode is what? Sodium, and then N factor of sodium and N factor of chlorine. Okay, factor means valency. Just you write down valency. Okay. Now in this case, N chlorine and N Na. Okay, N chlorine divided by N Na, and you know the sodium valency is what? 1, and there is a 2 chlorine, it means 2. So NCl2 is equals to Na divided by 2. Yeah, clear? So now you find Na. So now again there is a formula, just you check in my last video. Na is equals to I into T upon 96,500 into N factor. So this is N factor of what? Valency of sodium. So I is given 1 ampere, time is 965 divided by 96,500, and N factor of valency is 1. This is what? 100. It means 10 to the power minus 2. So now there is again formula NCl2 is equals to Na divided by what? 2. So Na is what? 10 to the power minus 2. So this is what? 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is NaCl2 value, number of moles of chlorine gas. Okay, clear? Now you know number of moles of sodium is equals to mass upon molar mass. So number of moles of given NaNa, this is 10 to the power minus 2, and you find the weight of Na divided by molar mass of Na is what? 23. So WNA is what? 23 into 10 to the power minus 2. It means what? 0.23 gram. Clear? Clear, student? Now, so you know the formula of volume of STP of chlorine. So there is a formula NCl2 into 22.4. So NCl2 is what? 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 22.4. Now the answer is what? 0.112 liter. Clear, student? This is very easy numerical. Now here again there is based on the Faraday first law, a current of 1 ampere. Yani ampere yani I is given, time is given, and 200 ml solution yani volume is given, and the concentration is given 0.05 mole LiCl solution. Find the pH. So this is very interesting question. pH value. The pH numerical is there. So just you check. So there is a LiCl solution. So you know LiCl solution, it means aqueous solution is given. The Li plus and Cl minus, and again there is a water molecule. This is conversion H plus and H2O. So now in my last video, water is considered in both the solution. So now in this case there is anode, one side is anode and one side is cathode. Electrolytic cell na, anode is positive and cathode is always negative in electrolytic cell only. So now anode attract negative charge, so again there is a Cl minus converted into half Cl2 plus what? 1 electron. In this case there is a chlorine and water is given, chlorine minus. So now the SRP of chlorine, anode in what? Anode में क्या देखते हैं हम लोग? SRP low या high? Just check. What is the SRP? SRP हम किस में देखते हैं? High की low? Tell me. In anode always SRP standard reduction potential low. इसका लो होता है क्लोरीन का और वाटर का ज्यादा होता है. जस्ट चेक इन इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज. तो इन दिस केस एनोड में कौन सी गैस बन रही है? क्लोरीन गैस. नाउ अगेन हियर दिस इज व्हाट? Li प्लस एंड वाटर अगेन. तो नाउ इन दिस केस द SRP इसमें हम चेक करते हैं. SRP इज हाई. तो यू नो लिथियम इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट SRP. दिस इज 1 पोजिशन एंड दिस इज 7 पोजिशन. तो सॉरी क्लियर. हाँ, तो दिस इज SRP इज हाई, तो वाटर का SRP ज्यादा होता है. तो यानी वाटर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू, तो देयर इज अ इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफरेंस. जस्ट यू चेक वाटर इज एंड except 1 electron or 2 electron, just you check there is a weight valence with 2, so there is H2 and 2OH minus. Clear? So in this case hydrogen gas formed in cathode. Clear? So you know OH is formed. So OH is formed, it means OH is formed at cathode. The OH concentration increases. When OH minus concentration increases, it means basic character increases. It means इस solution में किसका nature ज्यादा है? Base का. Clear, student? Base का concentration ज्यादा है. So now here we will discuss. So you know the concentration. Concentration means molarity. तो there is a OH minus concentration. तो concentration का formula क्या होता है? Number of moles of solution. Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. So this is N concentration of OH minus divided by volume of solution in liter. So is N OH concentration divided वॉल्यूम कितना है इसमें, तो वॉल्यूम इज व्हाट 200 ml ना, तो 200 ml जस्ट यू कन्वर्ट 200 ml, दिस इज 0.2 लीटर. 200 ml converted into, just you check, 200 volume divided by 1000, it means 0.2 liter. Clear? So there is a OH concentration, number of moles of OH concentration upon volume of solution in liter. So now here you find the number of moles, again the same formula. This is what, I into T upon 96,500 into n factor. So you know I is given, I is what, 1 ampere, time is again 965 second, and here 96500, and n factor OH minus is what, 1 minus charge, it means 1 valency. So there is again, okay, listen. In this case there is a 96.5 second is given, 96.5. So 96.5, it means this 96 point, it means 1 by 1000 है ना, तो it means 10 to the power minus 3. The NOH concentration is 10 to the power minus 3. So just you check the OH. Now you find OH concentration. So OH concentration is what, NOH concentration divided by 0.2 liter. So now here NOH concentration is there, so 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 0.2. It means what? So 1 by just you convert again 10 to the power minus 3, it means 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. Yeah, so just you convert 10 to the power minus 2 upon 2. So this is what, 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is OH concentration. It means this is what, mole per liter. देखो mole per liter. Now here the OH concentration 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So now OH concentration 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, it is converted 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Clear? Molarity means mole per liter. Clear? The concentration is given. Okay. Now the first you find POH. This is the formula, minus log of base 10 OH minus concentration. So now here minus log of base 10 OH is what, 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Just you convert, minus common ले लो, log of base 10 5 and minus 3 log of base 10 10. Yeah, this is bracket, there is a bracket. Okay, now the value of log 5 0.7 and 3 log 10 की value 1, तो 0. So now here is 3 plus and minus 0.7. The answer is what, 2.3. This is POH. Now you find pH. So you know pH plus POH is equals to 14. So POH is given. So pH is equals to 14 minus POH means 2.3. So the answer is 11.7. It means this is basic, not basic. This is acidic in nature. Sorry, basic in nature. When 7, na, pH is greater than 7, na, it means it is basic in nature. So here's proof. The solution is basic. Now the next question is based on the Faraday's second law. This is very important question. Very important. So you know, in my last video there is a full explanation of Faraday's second law. So just you check. First you check कि there is how many metals are present. There is a one. देखो, a same amount of charge. The same amount of charge. It means I or time is same. liberated 2.158 gram of silver is there, was passed through a solution of gold salt. Yani silver or gold salt is given. And 1.314 gram of gold deposited. है ना? Find the equivalent mass. Equivalent mass means E. And the valency. यानी N factor हमें find करना है. Okay. Of gold. Clear? So just you write down the formula. Is very easy formula. WAG. There's a two cell na connected in series. So WAG upon WAU is equals to EAG upon EAU. This is simple, is directly proportional now. So WAG is what? 2.158 and the weight of gold 1.314 is equals to equivalent weight of AG. Because the valency of AG is 1, it means equivalent weight AG is what? Molecular mass upon valency. The molecular mass is 108, any atomic mass, and valency always is 1. Clear? Same for gold. So this is 108 and you find the equivalent mass of AU na in this question. So now here EAU is equals to 1.314 into 108 divided by 2.158. So this is 65.8 gram equivalent. Gram per equivalent. This is a equivalent mass of gold. Clear? Okay. Now here this is a equivalent mass, and now you find the valency. So now you know very well EAU is equals to equivalent mass of gold is equals to molecular mass of gold upon N factor. Yani N factor means valency. So just you N factor is equals to molecular mass of AU upon equivalent mass of AU. So molecular mass yani atomic mass is what? 197 and equivalent mass is 65.8. Now the N factor yani valency is what? 3. This is what? For gold. Now here the 4 numericals based on the Faraday first law and second law. Okay, just you solve with yourself. Okay, thank you.